Hey, good morning, everyone. Nick here, NIC Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon location. Got a special treat for you today. New arrival, just came in yesterday. A beautiful 2019 Leisure Travel Unity 24CB. This is the popular dinette slide, corner bed, awesome usable floor plan built by Leisure Travel. Check it out online, johnsonrv.com, stock number 26762GRC. Any questions on this beautiful 19 made in Canada Leisure Travel, give someone on the team a call, 458-226-2472. The beautiful frameless windows and body on the Unities are gorgeous. The 24CB provides an awesome amount of exterior storage all the way around. As you check out the inside, auto leveling, massive U-shaped dinette. Again, 2019 in pristine condition. Most folks who pick up these Leisure Travels take really good care of their toys. All the upholstery, again, no cracking, no flaking, upgraded backup cameras, nice features on the Unity. Beautiful interior cabinets with the LED lighting, microwaves in a great location, massive fridge and freezer, large corner bath, deep stainless steel sink, and a 2-burner cooktop. This thing is beautiful. Any questions? 458-226-2472 if you have any questions. Hope this video is helpful and have a great day.